सारी रात हम जग जग के जीए, एक पल तो हमें सोने दो, सोने दो। सारी रात हम जग जग के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें सोने दो, सोने दो। सारी रात हम जग जग के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें सोने दो, सोने दो।
We had a really great experience hosting the whole ZONASA. We had multiple workshops, formal trophies, informal trophies, 2+ panel discussions. I would like to thank everyone, thank my delegates, volunteers, Mr. Sagar Agarwal, who is the head of everything. Thank you so much, sir, for helping us with everything.
This is our last day here, and I must say कि we had a lot of fun here.
It was our best experience. Like first time we went outside and it was really very nice.
The flash mob was
तब मेरे को अच्छा लगा भाई, उसमें जो नई नई चीज़ें सर पोर्टफोलियो में बताया भाई साहब, मस्त हम लोग उसको वो कर सकते हैं।
First year हमारे लिए सीखने के लिए that was very interactive and very good.
At this point we are like we don't have any idea of which day it is or what time it is going on, but the thing is all of us are sleepless and still we are dancing till the night. Band was जो हमारा crazy बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
Welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of the 68th year Zonal NASA Convention Zone 4. These 3 days have shown us that architecture is not just about buildings. It is about people, purpose and progress. At this moment, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our gracious host, OmDayal Group of Institutions, for their seamless planning, warm hospitality and tireless efforts
as we conclude the 68th Zonal NASA Convention for Zone 4. It is a privilege of reflect upon the remarkable energy, creativity and spirit of collaboration witnessed on our campus over the past 3 days.
Congratulations to the team who is going to win. It was really nice, great pleasure to host this 68th Zonal NASA Convention at OmDayal Group of Institutions.
First of all, I would like to thank the NASA Council for giving us this opportunity to hold this program here in OmDayal.
Okay, so I will be calling each unit one by one, and the USECs would be displaying their flags by marching, coming to the center.
Showing such a coordination, unity and discipline by the leaders of our Zone 4. would have touched several hearts for sure. Anubhav, our zonal president, please come upon the stage to felicitate your zone.
The most awaited part, the valedictory ceremony. Moving on to the most awaited trophy, the Rubens Trophy.
With the convention runner-up 2, the award goes to Z444, Amity School of Architecture and Planning. The runner-up 1 goes to Z423. It's the time to unveil the overall champion, the overall winner for the 68th year Zonal NASA Convention Zone 4. Z407, Pillu Modi College of Architecture.